Aerospace Line's B-377-SG Super Guppy is a large, wide-bodied cargo aircraft that is used for hauling outsize cargo components. It was the successor to the pregnant Guppy, the first of the Guppy aircraft produced by Aerospace Lines, which in turn was named for its resemblance to a pregnant Guppy. 5 were built in 2 variants, both of which were colloquially referred to as the Super Guppy. Design and development. The first, the Super Guppy, or SG, was built directly from the fuselage of a C-97J turbo stratocruiser, the military version of the 1950s Boeing 377 Stratocruiser passenger plane. The fuselage was lengthened to 141 feet (43 meters) and ballooned out to a maximum inside diameter of 25 feet (7.6 meters). The length of the cargo compartment being 94 feet 6 inch (28.8 meters). The floor of the cargo compartment was still only 8 feet 9 inch (2.7 meters) wide, as necessitated by the use of the Stratocruiser fuselage. In addition to the fuselage modifications, the Super Guppy used Pratt & Whitney T34P7 turboprop engines for increased power and range, and modified wing and tail surfaces. It could carry a load of 54,000 pounds (24,494 kilograms) and cruise at 300 miles per hour (480 kilometers per hour). The second version was officially known as the Super Guppy Turbine (SGT), although it used turboprop engines like the first Super Guppy. This variant used Ellison 501D22C turboprops. Unlike the previous Guppy, the main portion of its fuselage was constructed from scratch. By building from scratch, Aerospace Lines was able to widen the floor of the cargo compartment to 13 feet (4.0 meters). The overall cargo compartment length was increased to 111 feet 6 inch (34.0 meters). And the improved fuselage and engines allowed for a maximum load of 52,500 pounds (23,800 kilograms). These design improvements, combined with a pressurized crew cabin that allowed for higher altitude cruising, allowed the SGT to transport more cargo than its predecessors. The Sergeant retained only the cockpit, wings, tail, and main landing gear of the 377. The nose gear was taken from a Boeing 707 and rotated 180 degrees. This dropped the front of the aircraft slightly, leveling the cargo bay floor and simplifying loading operations. Specifications: crew 4, length 143 feet 10 inch 43.84 meters, wingspan 156 feet 3 inch 47.625 meters, height 48 feet 6 inch 14.78 meters, wing area 1,964.6 feet squared 182.51 square meters. Empty weight 101,500 pounds (46,039 kilograms). Useful load 54,500 pounds (24,720 kilograms). Max takeoff weight 170,000 pounds (77,110 kilograms). Power plant 4 times Allison 501D22C turboprops, 4,680 horsepower, 3,491 kilowatts each. Cargo bay dimensions 111 times 25 times 25 feet, 33.8 times 7.62 times 7.62 meters. Performance: maximum speed 250 knots, 288 miles per hour, 463 kilometers per hour. Cruise speed 220 knots, 253 miles per hour, 407 kilometers per hour. Economical cruise at 20,000 feet MSL. Range 1,986 miles, 3,219 kilometers. Service ceiling, 25,000 feet. Certificated ceiling, 7,620 meters. Wing loading, 86.5 pounds, feet squared, 422.5 kilograms per square meter. Power per mass, 9.08 pounds per HP, 5.52 kilograms, W. In the early 1970s, the two Super Guppies were used by Airbus to transport aeroplane parts from decentralised production facilities to the final assembly plant in Toulouse. In 1982 and 1983, two additional Super Guppies were built by Union de Transports Aériens Industries in France after Airbus bought the right to produce the aircraft. The four Super Guppies have since been replaced by the Airbus Beluga, capable of carrying twice as much cargo by weight. All Super Guppies remain either in service, mothballed, or on display. 1. Super Guppy N940NS, previously N1038V, serial number 522693, is on preserved display at the Pima Air and Space Museum adjacent to Davis Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona. 2. Super Guppy Turbine FBTGV, formerly N211AS, serial number 0001, is on static display at the British Aviation Heritage Centre, Bruttingthorpe Aerodrome, United Kingdom. 3. Super Guppy Turbine FBPPA, formerly N212AS, serial number 0002, is on static display in the Musée Aéronautique Aéroscopia near the Airbus facility, Toulouse-Blagnac, France. 4. Super Guppy Turbine FGD-SG, serial number 0003, is on static display at the Airbus facility, Hamburg-Finkenwerder Airport, Germany. 5. Super Guppy Turbine N941NA, formerly FGEAI, serial number 0004, is in service with NASA as a transport aircraft and is based at the El Paso forward operating location at the El Paso International Airport, in El Paso, Texas. Disclaimer: we cannot guarantee that the information on this video is 100% correct. Data are received from various websites. Be sociable, like and share.